Homemade almond cake. A perfect tea cake. Soft, delicious sponge. Grace a pan with butter. Put on parchment paper. More butter so it doesn't stick. Place almonds at the bottom. Make a beautiful circle. Ready to go. Now add cherries. Sprinkle on crushed almonds. Make sure to get the sides too. Looking good. In a bowl, add soft butter. Now add the sugar. Mix it until it's smooth and creamy. Add in vanilla. Add 1 egg. Mix it well. Now add the second egg. Mix again. Add the third egg. Mix it all together. Add the final egg. Mix one more time. This is what it should look like. Smooth batter. Now add baking powder to the flour. Add it into the batter. Now add in almond powder. Mix it well. Looking good. Pour it over the prepared pan. Pat it on the table slightly. Ready to cook. Set up your pot as shown. Place the pan on top. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes. Check to see if it's done. Perfectly cooked. Place a board on top. Flip the pan on it. Take it out. Brush it with glaze. Look at that shine. Perfect. There you go. Almond cake is ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy with hot tea or coffee. Full recipe in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give this cake a try. Follow for more easy recipes. See you next time with another video.